Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So currently from last 3 to 4 days, I have seen n number of users. They are getting warning like your video has been blocked. Okay, so this type of warning they are getting. So there are two type of users that I have seen in the comment and in my messages. The one is the person who is reposting a video by using audio from Instagram library, and the second one is a person who is recording their own video and using audio from Instagram library. Okay, so the first of all I will talk with reuse content. For example, I have an Instagram page and I have a couple page on Instagram, and the couple they send me their videos. Okay, so what I do, I post that video, I edit that video and I post it in my Instagram by selecting any audio or a music that I like it, I use it and I post it. So in this case also, the users are getting warning your video has been blocked in the following countries. Okay, this type of warning. And the second type of user, they are recording their own video and they are using music from Instagram reels, from Instagram library, audio library, and they are getting this type of warning. So what is a use actually? If you are recording a video and if there is a Instagram library, we have 100% right to use that audio. No one can stop you from using that audio. Even if you browse Instagram and you see any audio, if you like, you can select that audio and you can create a video on that by using that audio. So nothing wrong is there, but what is happening, Instagram algorithm is not working. Okay, so many user, I think in this 4 to 5 days I got 20 to 30 comments in my YouTube video. Their video has been deleted, like their old videos are getting deleted. What to do? So what actually I have already reported this problem to Instagram, but still I don't see any progress on this one. Okay, so what you can do for now, I will suggest you to stop posting a reels for coming few days, because this will definitely uh, drop your Instagram likes, engagement and the explore section. If you will get a multiple this type of warning, even you can lose your Instagram account. So till the time Instagram algorithm is not fixing, they are not fixing this issue, for this reel issue, I will suggest you not to post a reel for few days. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.